There is a lot of cryptocurrency content on YouTube, and it can be really tough trudging through the bad to find the good. In the video today, I'm going to show you 4 channels that I watch all the time and that I really think you should be watching too. Stay tuned. So it's no mystery that there is a veritable ton of cryptocurrency content floating around on YouTube. And obviously there's both good and bad. I've watched hundreds of other creators out there. And in the video today, I wanted to show you a few that I watch every single time they release new content without fail. Some of these channels can be a little more advanced than others, just as a warning, so the learning curve might be a little steeper. But I'll leave links down below in the description for each of the channels I show you so you can check them out for yourself. But before I start, I would love it if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button right below this video. Click that like button, really helps out the YouTube algorithm and gets my videos out there. And click that little bell icon to be notified whenever I upload new videos to the channel. And also, I am not a financial advisor, and this video should not be taken as financial advice, nor should you make any financial decisions based solely on my videos. As always, before investing in anything, you should do your own research and consult with your own financial advisor before making any decisions. I do these videos for informational purposes, and they shouldn't be used as financial or investment advice. And never invest money that you can't afford to lose. With that out of the way, let's get at it. The first one I want to show you is actually my favorite crypto channel on YouTube. It's called D.I.Y Investing, and the guy behind it is Donovan Jolly. The thing I like the most about his channel is not only that he makes it crystal clear how passionate he is and how much he enjoys cryptocurrency investing, he's also ridiculously knowledgeable on top of it. His main focus on this channel is to read and analyze charts, so it's not for the truly faint of heart. But the chart analysis and trend comparisons that he does do are absolutely invaluable. I can't even count the number of times he's shown trends and comparisons on his channel that I would have never thought of or ever seen on my own. If you check him out, if you look back to the earliest videos from when he started his channel, he has some really excellent tutorial videos on the different charts and terms he uses regularly, especially terms like support and resistance and corrections and things like that. Check out those videos first, and that will put you in a great position to actually start digesting the myriad of awesome analysis videos he uploads on an almost daily basis. Like I said, this is my favorite crypto channel on YouTube, and I could not possibly recommend it more to all of you. The next channel I recommend is from somebody called BitBoy Crypto. BitBoy's channel is about all things cryptocurrency, so he doesn't focus on a single niche inside of it, basically cryptocurrency in general. He does a lot of reviews on different crypto coins and tokens. He talks about a lot of current crypto news topics, talks about crypto wallets, and even the occasional parody that always proves highly entertaining. And his content really does fit all audiences, so whether you're a rank beginner or you're a seasoned crypto veteran, his content fits everywhere. My favorite video of his is actually one he released a little over a week ago, I think, and it's called Avoiding Crypto Scams. And it should be required watching by everybody interested in crypto. It's that good. And in that same vein, he's done a couple of videos recently about one of the biggest and most toxic crypto channels on YouTube, and I highly, highly recommend checking it out. Because while there is a lot of really good stuff on YouTube, there is some equally bad stuff as well. And BitBoy actually does a really good job of bringing out the bad stuff so that we can all be more aware and cautious. And as far as I'm concerned, he's doing the entire crypto space a good duty. We should all be constantly aware of scams in any area of life in general, not just crypto. And BitBoy is awesome at keeping us aware and vigilant of the shady side of the industry. So definitely check him out. The third channel I want to recommend is from Coin Bureau. It comes to us from a British guy named, well, Guy. All kidding aside, though, on top of his soothing British accent, Guy is extremely knowledgeable about crypto and makes some seriously excellent quality videos. He does a lot of video reviews of different coins and crypto products, and frankly, his reviews are some of the most detailed and in-depth you'll find on YouTube. But the beautiful thing about it is no matter the level of detail he goes into, he finds a way to keep his language very user-friendly and beginner-friendly so that it's easily digestible. In fact, he recently did a video comparing the latest crypto debit cards out there, and it was an objective, detailed review that made me even more happy about using the Crypto.com platform than I already was. In fact, if you haven't watched it, I talked about Crypto.com in a video I posted a few days back, so go check that video out by clicking the card up in the corner. But, shameless plugs aside, I highly recommend Coin Bureau as an all-around, super educational channel about everything in cryptocurrency. So the last channel I want to recommend today is from Altcoin Daily. This channel is a little bit different than others. They talk a lot about Bitcoin, far more than anything else. But at the end of the day, they are Bitcoin investors who use altcoins merely as a method of stacking more Bitcoin, which is actually a really common theme in crypto investing that a lot of others share. It's not only a theme that's evident in the content of their channel, though, they specifically state it in their channel description as well. After all, at the end of the day, Bitcoin is the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies, and with the forecast of Bitcoin what it is, and where people know Bitcoin is going in the future, it's obvious why people would want to stack it. They do cover altcoins occasionally. One of the most common types of videos on YouTube about crypto are the top altcoins for 2020 type of video, and I actually plan on doing some videos myself about the altcoins I'm excited about. But these guys have a unique spin in that they talk about and use these coins as a method to build up more Bitcoin. And they release videos every single day, sometimes even twice a day, so there is plenty of excellent content on their channel to pour through. So that was a quick video in comparison to my other ones. There are some channels to get you started, but definitely don't stop at just these 4. I didn't want to make this video 10 hours long by talking about every channel that I watch and love on YouTube. These are just 4 that I watch like clockwork every time they release new content without fail. And I often find myself going through their back catalog of videos trying to find the ones that I haven't seen yet, too. So I hope that video helped. If so, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that little like button to help out the algorithm. And if you have any comments or questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments section below. And as always, stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.